Yeah, that's gonna work. But now we have to be quiet.
You got it.
Did it really?
Yeah. No, I can hear you right.
I know. Oh, I hate waiting.
You're gonna miss it.
I'm not.
You're gonna miss it on camera.
Oh. Ah! No, I want to see like an actual bolt, like we saw over there.
It's too far away.
Boo. What if it misses you guys like completely?
We'll see 'em before it's over.
The cows don't seem very concerned.
They're just cows. They're stupid.
They know when to like run.
Not really. He's not kidding. I mean, it could be storming, bloody murder, trees falling down and everything, and they're just standing there.
You stop and think. Middle of summertime, 114 degrees outside. All the cows, the majority of them, if you look close enough, will be all huddled together underneath the tree. Middle of winter time, when it's 2 degrees outside, they're scattered through the whole damn patch.
He's not kidding, they are.
It's stupid. Summertime, when it's hot, they're all bunched together, creating more heat.
I know this is running.
It's gotten really dark really fast.
Yeah, it kind of did.
I think they're out in the middle of the freaking pasture watching. Even if their buddies are being fried through the head by a lightning bolt.
Wouldn't surprise me. Cows are dumb.
Yeah.
Look, their brains ain't 3 inches in diameter.
Really?
I don't know. I want to eat fucking cow brain either.
This is so cool. Whenever it rains, no one ever comes to Sonic.
I know.
Except for the drive-thru.
Did you see that one? It was a bolt right there in the little hole.
Right in the hole?
In the hole, yeah.
I didn't see the one. In
I
the
saw
hole.
it.
No, I didn't. Actually, it kind of looks like a clover.
Yeah.
3-leaf clover.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, well, the storm's sure taking its time.
Yep. Okay. I'm bored. Are you bored?
I want to finish Milo and Otis.
Yeah, let's go do that. Say bye, Daddy.